Welcome back, everyone. It's February 2025, and you're watching the Northwest Market Update. I'm your host, Ed Lane, bringing you the latest and greatest in real estate trends right here in the beautiful PNW. January, typically the chilliest month for sales, was anything but cold this year. We saw a sizzling 10.8% jump in closed sales from last year. Over 3,700 homes found their new owners, up from just over 3,300 a year earlier. Talk about heating up. And for those wondering about new listings, hold on to your hats. A whopping 6,693 new homes hit the market, a 35% surge from January of 2024. Selma Hepp, the sage of stats at CoreLogic, tells us inventories are climbing from their lows, adding some much needed zest to our market activities. And indeed, the numbers are in. Active listings soared by 44.6%, with 10,241 homes ready and waiting for buyers, compared to 7,084 last year. Snohomish and King counties are leading this charge with increases as high as 96.9%. Now let's talk dollars and cents. While we're seeing more homes, we're also grappling with rising prices and interest rates. The median home price nudged up to $615,000, a near 4% rise, and interest rates have crept up to 6.95%. Stephen Barassa from the Washington Center for Real Estate Research points out that new immigration policies and tariffs could push construction costs even higher. So if you're thinking about buying, now might be the time before these costs trickle down to you. New homes are also part of January's boom, with 722 new construction sold, marking a 17% year-over-year increase. These brand new beauties are fetching a median price of $760,500, up 8.6% from last year. Clearly, new is still in. You folks have been busy too. Key box activity is up 40% from December, and property showings surged 57%. With the down payment resource program expanding, more of you are getting the help you need to make your home ownership dreams a reality. And what does all of this mean? The clock is ticking. With low inventory and pent-up demand still driving the market, it's a great time to buy and an even better time to list. Remember, the market waits for no one, and these trends suggest things might shift soon. So if you've been on the fence about buying or selling, consider this as your sign to jump into action before the market shifts again. Well, that's a wrap for our February 2025 Northwest Market Update. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, whether you're buying or selling, now's the time to make those bold moves. Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's make your real estate dreams come true.